An electric heater of resistance 44 ohm draws 5 ampere from the service mains for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. So, an electric heater's resistance is given as 44 ohm and it draws current 5 ampere. So, I is equal to 5 ampere from the service mains for 2 hours. So, T is equal to 2 hours. Now, we have to calculate the rate at which heat is developed. So, rate at which heat produced or rate of doing work, which is equal to power. So we have to calculate the power. So power P is equal to I square R. Then P is equal to what is I here? 5 amps. So 5 square into R is 44 ohm. Then P is equal to 25 into 44, which is equal to 1100 watt. Thank you.